In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate QuickBooks Online with your Wix website. This step-by-step guide will walk you through each part of the process, ensuring a smooth connection between your online business and your accounting software. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to Wix.com and log into your existing account. Once you're in, navigate to your site dashboard, which will serve as your central hub for managing your website and its features. Next, we'll move to the Wix App Market, a powerful resource for enhancing your website's capabilities with a variety of apps. On the left panel of your dashboard, look for the section labeled Apps. Click on that and then select App Market. This will direct you to Wix's extensive collection of third-party integrations designed to expand and simplify your website's functionality. Now, within the app market, locate the search bar, a handy tool that makes finding the right app quick and painless. Type QuickBooks into the search bar. As soon as you begin typing, Wix will start to generate matches. From these results, scroll through and select the QuickBooks Online app. This is the one you'll need to establish the connection we're aiming for. Once you've got the right app, the following step is to install it. Click on Add to Site and follow the simple on-screen prompts that appear. These prompts will guide you through the installation process, making sure everything is set up correctly. Next, it's time to connect your QuickBooks account. When prompted, log in with your QuickBooks Online credentials. This step ensures that your account is linked and ready to communicate with Wix. Be sure to allow Wix access to your QuickBooks data when requested. This is a crucial step for enabling the integration to work effectively. Now we move on to mapping your products and orders. This involves deciding which specific Wix products, payments, and orders you want to sync with QuickBooks. You'll typically want to include all relevant data to keep your records accurate and up to date. Once you have selected your preferences, be sure to save your settings to maintain these choices within the system. Finally, we reach the sync and verification part. To ensure everything is connected correctly, create a test order on your Wix site. Go over to QuickBooks and check if this test order shows up accurately. If it does, congratulations! Your integration is now active and ready to streamline your financial management. And there you have it. You're now all set up with QuickBooks integrated into your Wix site, leading to a more efficient and streamlined workflow. This setup not only saves time but also helps maintain precise and updated financial records. Thanks for joining us today, and happy syncing.